friends, I am CSJAS. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and preparing for your June 2022 attempt. From today, the students of December 2021 will start appearing in their exams क्योंकि आज से exams शुरू हो जाएंगे. So alongside that, I will also start the special live classes for our June 2022 students. काफ़ी स्टूडेंट्स की रिक्वेस्ट थी to guide them for June 2022 attempt. So here I am with the two special live classes on 21st and 22nd, that is आज और कल at sharp 7 p.m. So today we will discuss about the timetable in case you are attempting one module, single module, right? Either one, either two, that is upon you. In case you are attempting single module, I will tell you the timetable in detail, how you should start your planning from today only so that you clear the June 2022 attempt. And likewise, tomorrow we will discuss the timetable if you are attempting the both modules of CS Executive, right? In both the cases, the timetable and approach is totally different. That is why I'm hosting two special live classes for our students today and tomorrow sharp at 7 p.m. आपको पता होगा कि ये classes totally free of cost हैं. Just use my code CSJAS to unlock the classes. So there is a series for the preparation of June 2022 attempt. उस series का link जिसमें ये classes आपको मिल जाएंगी and additional another next two classes का link भी आपको उसमें मिल जाएगा. That is in the description box below. सो इस सीरीज़ के लिंक को क्लिक करके आप वहाँ पे दी गई क्लासेस को एनरोल कर सकते हो एंड प्रेस द बटन नोटिफाई मी ताकि क्लास शुरू होने से पहले आपको एक नोटिफिकेशन आ जाए एंड यू अटेंड माई सेशन. आई होप यू ऑल विल अटेंड माई सेशन एंड आई रिक्वेस्ट दैट यू शुड अटेंड माई सेशन बिकॉज इट विल definitely impact your preparation. And I believe that rather than watching the end minute strategies, you should start your preparation bang on. Like from day one, your preparations should be consistent, nice, and like spot on, so that towards the end you don't face any problem for clearing the exams. So I hope all of you will join the session for June 2022 attempt. Looking forward to see you all sharp at 7 p.m. Bye.